Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Tuesday, July 1st. What we see here in the Russell is a market that's not sure what to do. It's behaving so much differently than the other indices that we went through in the advanced video, but what we do see here is a market with a bullish bias but in a neutral zone trade. Look for a sideways move to possibly higher in that market, at least before the end of the week. What's also interesting is what's happening with the dollar, and the dollar is weaker. And we see here in the Aussie dollar, it was stronger. U.S. dollar taking a little bit of control here overnight in Asia, but I don't look for a dramatic move down. This is prime territory for an equal and opposite, but right now that's too early to tell if that will be the behavior we'll see. And in the 10-year notes, yields are coming off as some of the crises we see around the world calming down a teeny bit, and that makes yields back off, and we're seeing prices move higher for that market. Same thing holds true for the 30-year bonds. We're looking for follow through to the upside in that market. You know, when it comes to what's happening with copper, we're seeing some positive economic numbers coming out of China, and there's a possibility that could bleed over and give us an increase in demand for copper. And when it comes to corn, it's a market that we've seen a whole slew of fundamental information that came out about this market, but that looks pretty good. So that means downward pressure here for the corn market. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.